Okay, it is 14 degrees out, 8 o'clock at night, snowing with 19 mile per hour winds and 34 mile per hour wind gusts. And let's bring her up a little bit here. Take it up. You can tell in the distance there, by the visibility, that it's snowing, but I don't think you can really see it in the camera. Let's just see here. I can feel the wind kicking up a little bit here. Oops, I got it in sport mode. Let's stop. Let's put it in standard. See if the wind kicks down our speeds any. Go in this direction here a little bit. Cut to the right. Not flying real high. And signal is great. I'm going to bring it up a little bit just for visual. Now this is all auto settings. I haven't changed anything, but I'm going to in a minute here.
Image transmission signal is weak. Please fly with caution.
Let's line up a little bit better here. I'm going to stop and raise it up. Let's take it about 100 meters. And let's point the camera down a little bit here. There's no horizon to see. And let's fly. Now the signal's really strong. So the wind is pushing our speed down a little bit. And let's fly down this street towards Sheets. Which should, I think, put the wind towards its back a little bit, I think, because it's really going slow right now. It's almost at a stop. Let's put it in sport mode. See Sheets down there glowing. I'm just going to keep turning till I get the wind at my back here. Right now I'm almost pointing in the direction where I'm standing. But we're kind of stuck right now. I mean, it's windy. I don't know if you can hear it in my microphone, but it's definitely windy. So here's what I want to show you. Right now I'm only going I'm creeping at, it's almost at a standstill. So if I hit return to home,
Going home.
it's going to rise. Should be 120 meters, I think. And it's going further away. That's not right. Is it going to take my flight path back home? Yeah, let's go cancel that out.
RTH cancelled.
Let's see if we can get her to fly home here. I hope so. Drop it down a little bit here. And get out of some of this wind, and now we're moving. A little bit. Come on. As long as I don't lose my signal there. It is not moving. 3 meters a second. I'll be happy if I just get it in my neighborhood. I'll land it in the street and go get it. It's pretty bad. I mean, I know the wind's high, but getting down at this level here shouldn't be that much of an issue. Okay, now we're cruising. So let's point towards me. Get my signal here. And I am going to go in this direction. I want to get over to the street and fly up the street where I can see that street right there. If I can get there. Right over here is where I want to go. I don't want to go too low because of trees, but I'm bringing it down a little bit more. 60% battery. Now we're starting to move. Come on, just keep that speed. Looking a little more promising now, folks. Okay, so I'm over the road there, heading back towards my house. Got a little ways to go yet. Still got more than 50% battery. Only going 3 meters per second and less now. Come on. We'll get you home. Now she's picking up. Goes up and down with the wind. So this thing has zero compensation for wind. I mean, it does not compensate 1 ounce for the wind. As long as I don't get any more gusts, I should be able to get home. And here's my neighborhood. So, oh, here comes the wind. So I was going to, and it's blowing me away. I was going to, I'm going to have to find a spot maybe and land. Let's hover here. There is a school right here. Nobody should be there, and I can go land if I need to. Let me bring it down. Okay, lowered it down. If I can just get over there. So let's try and go sideways. Fly sideways here. Nope, nope, nope. Wind's pushing it. Wind's pushing it. This is all wind right now, guys. I'm fighting that wind hard. Come on. It just won't go. Come on, wind, stop. Just let me get where I need to go. I'm going to go land it, hop in my car, and grab it. Okay, now she's moving. It's a better sign. There's the school. I almost think I should land there and go get it. Seems like there's some school activity going on, so I better not. Just come on up the street, see if I can get home. There's my street. I gotta go all the way to the top. %, battery. We're moving. Come on, keep going with it, baby. So, this is all my fault. I'm pushing the limits with the wind. Thankfully, the snow stopped. But I'm definitely pushing it with the wind here. And the gusts are the worst because you saw how it started pushing me backwards. But I'm not real impressed here with the night quality for auto. But then again, there's not much to look at. It's just street lights and some house lights. So we got to come over this way towards my house. Can't see it right now. Oh, I'm right over my house. Let's gimbal down at my house here. There's where I'm at. And I'm going to walk up the sidewalk. Oops, lights turned off. Let me go make the motion sensor turn on. Okay. Angle down, you should see me. Let me back up a little bit here. Hey, you made it home, girl. Well, that was an interesting flight. Turn off recording.